Hello all, today in this video we will show a demo for plotting more than one sine waves in a single graph. So previously we have just done in this previous video, if you would have followed our channel, means you may know that in the previous video we have made two different graphs. For first one is the with the line space and also that is linear space and also the interpolation function, and the second code is with x that is both the bar graph and the line graph will be in the same graph. So that we have done in the second video, and this is the continuation of that video. In this video we are going to show how to plot multiple sine waves in a single graph. But for this we have to just create first the sine wave. For that we are just declaring some variables like frequency, voltage, omega, angle and time, etc. And then we are plotting them into for three times. So for the first time we are just plotting time value, and the line width we are giving us 2, and the x label and y label is set to time and amplitude, and we are holding on this graph, and also the grid is set to on. After that we are giving some other angle, and then we are just creating another one voltage value by using this angle 0, and then we are calling that into the plot. So this is the second sine wave, and the third wave also we are just using some other graph of some other angles. The angles we can see, we are just varying the numbers. Initially it was 250 divided by 270 in line 36. In line 46 it was minus 250 divided by 470, and now it is 250 divided by, that is in line 50 it is 250 divided by only changing the values we can just provide some multiple sine waves in a single graph itself. Now we can just run the code. In the previous code itself I would have showed that, because previous two codes we have done the execution. Now we have only need to execute this thing. For if you want to run only this lines, means you have to just select them, right click and just give evaluate section, and that time only this line will get run. So now we can see we are getting three different types of sine waves in a single graph, and the colors are also vary. So if you need some other number of 2 or 5, just changing the angles, you can just create whatever number of sine waves you desire. So this is the code for how to create a graph or plot a graph with multiple sine waves. So in the next video we can see a demo for some other basic or a code for in some other code in languages like MATLAB, Python and also in Vika. Thank you.